Hi guys, welcome back to WP Talk channel. Today we're going to look at how to migrate from one website to another website in WordPress in just 5 minutes. Yes, we're going to migrate WordPress website in 5 minutes without downloading or uploading any folder. So if you're ready, let's dive right into it. So guys, if you are meeting for the first time, my name is Sharif. So now I'm going to show you how we can migrate from one WordPress to another without downloading or uploading any folder. All right, so this is the site one. Okay, so I want to migrate the content of this website to this website, right? This is a new website. So let's say this is my 16 website and I want to migrate the content of this website to this website. Okay. All right, so I've named this the new website as test and why the S61 as demo, right? So what you have to do, the first thing you have to do is to download a WordPress plugin called WPVivid. Okay, I'm going to drop the link in the description for you to download the plugin directly. Okay, so just click on under plugin, click on add new, and right here you can type in WPVivid. Okay, so here is the plugin. You can see it here: migration, backup, staging by WPVivid. So the company name, the developer name is WPVivid, right? While the plugin name is migration, backup, staging. So this plugin, you can back up your WordPress website, you can create a staging website, and as well you can migrate your website to another website without Azure. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to install this plugin on the first website, on the 16 website. Then make sure you activate it, right? So what you want to do next is to move on to the new website which you want to copy the 16 into. So you do the same thing by installing the plugin WPVivid, right? Make sure you install it and activate the plugin. Okay, so I promise this is going to be 5 minutes, so I'm not going to pause, I'm not going to stop anything, right? So yeah, so I have the two plugins on both websites right now. So the next thing you want to do is to click on keys. Okay, so once you click on keys, you have to click on keys on the new website, the websites you want to move move to, right? You want to copy the website you want to copy your old content to, right? So you want to click on key here and click on generate. Okay, so you can set the key when the key is going to expire. So normally just leave it at 8 hours, then click on generate. All right, so here is the key. Just make sure you copy this key and enter the key on the website you want to send data from. Okay, so here we want to send data to the other website. So what you should do now is to click on auto migration here, then paste in the key which you just copied. So once you paste in the key, click on save here. As you can see, the key is valid and you will see the connection is okay. Now you can transfer the site. So it's going to show you from the website the URL of the website you are sending from to the URL of the website you are sending to. So we are sending to test.wptalk.dev. Okay, right? So after this, the next thing to click is to scroll down, then click on clone, then transfer. All right, so once you do this, you just have to wait for the process to continue. As you can see, the process is ongoing. So this actually, the time to complete depends on the number of files you have on your WordPress, on your S16 website. So if you have if you have up to 1 GB of data, it's definitely is gonna take some time. But if you have a reasonable amount of your website size is not that much. It should be done in less than 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yeah, so this is done now. So what this plugin does is it will first, back up the website and send the data to the website, to the other website. All right, so this process is complete now. So just head over to the new website and click on backup and restore. So you can see, so you just scroll here. I'm sorry. So click on scan uploaded backup or receive backup. So once you click here, it's going to sync the backup that was sent to this website. All right. So as you can see here now, we have received backup. You can see it, right? And then you have the option to download it if you want to download the file, and you can also restore it. So which is what we are going to do right now. All right, so since we are migrating, we just want to install this, right? So click on restore. Click on restore and click okay. So you just have to wait for the whole process to be done. So just 80% now. All right, so restore completed successfully. So once you are done with this, it's going to take you to the login page. So you just make sure you enter the login of the whole website, because the login of the existing one will not work. You have to make sure you use the login for the old one. So let's just confirm that now. As you can see, we have the same content on the two websites. So thank you guys. If you love this video, if you love my content, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any update, and make sure you turn up the bell notification. Thank you. See you later.